Hi, I'm Fiona Wang. Welcome back to our InstallerSHOW preview series. Today, I'm giving you an early look at what I'll bring in to the InstallerSHOW 2025, the Sunpro Series R32 heat pump. This unit is a real standout product thanks to the EVI technology, which keeps it running smoothly even in freezing conditions, down to -25°C. We have made the installation simple by integrating key parts like the electric heater, the expansion tank, and the circulating pump into one compact unit that's perfect for the tight installation spaces. It is also A++ energy rated with full CE, key mark, and MCS certifications, making it qualified for the projects across UK and the whole Europe. Want to check it out in person? Swing by our booth at 5G72. We have got lots more to show you. See you in the next episode.